Morning guys, morning. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Friday, so I just decided to get out the house and try to do something, go somewhere and not stay in and just be, don't sink into depression or feeling down. I don't want to put that D word out there because it's not that, but I don't want to just waddle in self-pity and just not feeling your best, right when you feel like things are just not working, things just stressful, it's just you start feeling down. That means something is on the corner. So just stay positive, try to keep your head up, try to stay strong, and yeah, things are gonna look up real soon. So that's what I'm looking forward to, and I hope you guys are having a good day. If you're not, try to stay positive, try to not dwell on whatever going on wrong, just pray and yeah, try to stay uplifted. I'm gonna change my shoes. Did I show you guys what I'm wearing? Where are these shoes? Okay. So I just have on this gray loose top and gray slacks as well. This is very comfortable, feels so good. Both are from Old Navy. I have to actually go pick up a package that my mom sent from Freeport. I'm gonna try find the arbor today, so I'm going on the road. Let's get on the road, people. And I'm not eating breakfast, so if you hear me saying I'm hungry later and my head hurting, you know why. But don't pay me no mind, I don't know. Okay guys, first stop at the arbor, Potter's Key. And these roads in Nassau is horrible, right? The GPS need to get updated because they telling you to turn where there's no road. You're looking like turn right where? Like what? But some people was trying to get me, some people was trying to help me because I could see the arbor, but I just didn't know how to get over there. It's crazy. But we're here. Let's see how long this is gonna take. Get this box. When I tell y'all I don't know where I going, this look like a fishing dock. I wanna come to get fresh fish, but the man tell me to come straight up and then I'll see a sign. I don't know where I going. I could have parked over here. I parked so far away. Child. Let me ask this man. Excuse me. Okay, that gentleman just now said I'm on the right part. So let's keep going. Okay, mail boat. That's the name of the boat. So we're good. No sudden need signs and stuff in this place, It's just a big open place. You don't know where the hell you're going. And no signs, just nothing.
What are you picking up today?
I'm picking up a box.
A box from where?
Okay, I got the box, guys. Got the box. I'll show you when I reach home, but I don't know where I'm going now. Let me tell you how this GPS ain't make sense. Lord. GPS bringing me on the road, and the road say I on the road. People telling me it's a one-way. I trying to figure out how the GPS telling me to go this way when it's a one-way. That's why I said you should need to update, man. Like, okay guys, I'm at the mall. I'm still in the car because I'm supposed to meet someone. I have a customer that's coming to purchase something. So when people want to buy stuff, I try to meet them at the mall. So that's the meeting place for now, because I don't live far from the mall. you know, and I ain't trying to go to people places, and I don't want people come to my place. So I'm trying to find a central place to meet. So I'm gonna wait for this person. She says she's 5 minutes out, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna eat my Shirley biscuit. Coconut. Okay guys, I found the lady. She got the item. She got it, so made that little sale. Some money in my pocket. I can't wait to like purchase more inventory. I need to buy some diaper bags like a lot of people over here trying to get diaper bags. You gotta study the market and see what's going on, what people looking for, what people asking for, and get it. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far and enjoy spending the day with me. Just getting out the house. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the family, people. We're trying to stay uplifted, positive, and just straight positive vibes, okay? I was on my way home. I stopped to the gas station, get some waters, had to buy some 1 gallon water. And that's what we've been doing since we got here, just buying the water, which is a waste of money. It's like $10 for 4 bottles, where you could just refill for like $3, and we just can't find a place to refill. And certain places only take their brand water bottles, you know. So I just called this water depot place, and they said they accept any bottles as long as it's in good condition and it's not, you know, damaged. So I'm gonna try find them. Okay guys, we took a slight detour. Instead of going to find the water place, I got a call, so now I have to pick up Khadijah. And so I'm here waiting. But I bought ice cream when I was in the gas station getting those water. So can't let it melt. I'm gonna eat it right now. I'll see you guys. Okay guys, I want to quickly see my Christmas tree still up. I want to quickly unbox, oh god, these things that my mom sent. Oh yeah, let me just reverse it right here. So it's basically just some of her products that she sells. She sends some over so I could sell some over here, because a lot of people want products in Nassau. So if you guys don't know, my mom sells natural products, so natural soaps, natural oils, everything for hair, skin, face, body, just everything. Natural oil, natural soaps, scrubs. This is also another this is a hair moisturizer, shea butter hair growth. This is the turmeric scrub, and then this is the turmeric cream for your body. And we have some coffee scrub, and this I got one of this for myself. This is the turmeric like skin corrector, so I have a couple spots that I need to get rid of, and like to brighten, you know, this ugly area by your armpit because of like deodorant and stuff like that. Yeah, to lighten those things up. The #1 selling items, which are like turmeric products. And I already made 2 sales already for the day, and they just came in. So, oh, this is face mask as well. We have turmeric clay masks and even toothpaste, natural deodorant, natural shampoo for your hair, and conditioner, and natural face toner, and what do you call that next thing for your hair? The rings for like locks. Call it apple cider vinegar rings. Yeah, sell those as well. But guys, she also sent 2 of my items that I was waiting for my kitchen. So this is the utensil holder I was waiting on from Amazon. I show you guys picture of it, so it's finally here. Can't wait to use this. And the table runner. Thought this was much bigger than this. I don't know, this little piece of thing they give people, but yeah, I'm gonna put these up and then I'll show you guys. But there's still more that we haven't cleared as yet. We're still waiting to clear the plaque, the kitchen plaque, and the kitchen curtain. What else? Something else. Let's put these up. I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, I'm going to get these things out of here so I can put the utensils in my bucket. I couldn't wait. I really needed one of these because this drawer is so corroded. It's so full. So we can put these in here. Takes this in here. What else is going here? I guess this could stay. Do I want to move the knives? Do I want to put the knives in here? I guess for now. This, I guess, and the scissors, I think, yeah. And yes, we have space in this drawer now. Oh, this goes in this drawer. So this is how this drawer is looking. A smaller spoon and fork up top, and some more spoon and fork. Do I want to take this out? I think I'll just leave this in here with the rolling pin. Alright, that's it. That's it. Drawer is good. A little bucket is good. And I wanted something to put here because that looks so horrible. So I think I'm gonna snug this right in the corner there. Right in the corner. And yeah, have a dish, we have a hand soap. It's the bleach bottle for now. I gotta get the bleach bottle that I want. And the kitchen, we still have the table thing right here. We still have the mats. One thing is my mom, she purchased her mats, and I think she purchased like a plush version. It's like plastic. It's like those thick plastic, like when you step on it, it feels good. And yeah, I think I need to buy that instead of the actual cloth, because this is getting messy really quickly. Yes, you could wash it. I washed it once already and it still looked dirty, but anyways, that's all that's looking. Then for the table runner, I put it on the washer. Is that ghetto, people? Put it on the washer because I don't like the fact that the washer is actually in the kitchen. So I guess this way it's gonna tie in with the theme that I'm trying to do for the kitchen. So I just put it on top of the washer for now, especially because the table runner is much shorter than I thought it was. So I think it's cute for now. So we have our mats, we have our cover for the washer and dryer, then we have a little cute setup right here, then we have the addition to the family. I love it. Still coming together, guys. When I get the rest of the stuff like the plaque and the curtain, I'll give you guys another update, but for now this is it. So I think I'm gonna end today's vlog off right here. If not, I'll see you in the next clip. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the family. See you guys in the next one.